Hi friends, how are you? I thought that I would record a video on my bedtime skincare routine. So just to get us started here, one of the first products I use is a cleansing oil or balm. Currently I am using the Glow recipe. It is the papaya sorbet enzyme cleansing balm. This is really very lovely. I really do enjoy this one. What's great about it is that it does take everything off in one fell swoop. It's also very gentle on the skin. So for those who do have slightly drier skin, this would be lovely. I then follow it up by Sephora collection. This is the Clean Skin Gel Cleanse Plus Tone for face, eyes, and neck. This is fairly heavily fragranced, so for those who might be a little bit sensitive to fragrance, this might not be a good option. I really quite like this. Again, a very effective cleanser. It sells for $14 for a tube. So if you're looking for something that's super extra budget friendly, this would be a great gel cleanser. They have recently come out with a cleansing balm as well, which I believe is a brand new launch, and I do also believe it sells for the same price as this one, so it comes in at $14. Next, I then put my eye cream on. Currently, I'm using the new Caudalie resveratrol lift eye lifting balm. Really quite nice. It absorbs really well. I use this both at night as well as in the morning, so it does actually sit very nicely under makeup as well. Following, I use my Luna Sleeping Night oil from Sunday Riley. This is a retinol oil. This is an amazing product. What's amazing about it is that it has a full 1% of retinol, and the amazing part is that you can, even at that percentage, start using it every single night. This will not cause irritation for the majority of people, if not almost everyone. It is super effective in that it definitely does help to refine the skin, shrink pore size. It helps with hyperpigmentation, and just generally do a lot of really great things. Now, having said that, anything that's like a retinol or retinoid, really heavy duty chemical exfoliation, glycolic acid, anything along those lines, always make sure to follow it up with a sunscreen during the day. It definitely does make you more photosensitive. Also, another thing to keep in mind is with retinols and retinoids, only use them at night. If you do wear them during the day, again, it makes the skin extra photosensitive in that it will cause you to burn. So definitely make sure to only use this at bedtime. And then lastly, I finish off with another Sunday Riley product. This is Ice. So it is a Ceramide moisturizing cream. This is a very, very rich cream. I do have combination skin, so I tend to keep this particular moisturizer for my bedtime routine. Ceramides also help to strengthen the skin's natural barrier. The hydration really plumps the skin up. It calms and soothes. It does so many great things to the skin. So this is a really great bedtime cream for me, like I said, because I do have more combination skin. So it's a little bit rich for me during the day, but at nighttime it is brilliant and beautiful. So let's get into cleansing. So that's how much I use of this particular cleansing balm. It does come with a handy little spatula. So as I warm it up in my hands, it liquefies. I then kind of place it all around the skin. Don't forget your neck. And then obviously we're going to massage. Now I take a little bit longer with this step because I am removing all of my makeup. Now obviously as I'm rubbing my eyes, try to be a little bit more gentle. And there we go. I look like a raccoon. Now, being that I used to be a washcloth user, I now use my makeup erasers. Nice thing about them is that they're very, very soft and gentle. Now, the other thing you want to do with cleansing balms and cleansing oils is add a bit of water and continue to emulsify. Now, one side does exfoliate and one side just helps to cleanse. But obviously, I'm just using it to help remove everything. Another little tip to be a bit more environmentally conscious is remember to turn your tap off while you are not actually needing the water to be running. If you're more of a splash things off type of person, then obviously you'd want to leave it running. The other thing that a lot of people forget, and if you're anything like me and you really kind of blend your makeup up kind of to the edges of your hairline, make sure to go through and kind of wipe that away. So you can see that I still have a little bit of makeup on. Not overly concerned with that because obviously I'm a double cleanser. So I'm going to add a little bit of water because this is a gel cleanser. So what you're going to notice with this particular cleanser is that although it's a gel, it does fall under our clean category. So basically, one of the things that means is that there's no sodium lauryl sulfates, which is a surfactant. Not that they're neither good nor bad. But this particular gel cleanser from Sephora collection was designed for all skin types, including dry. So the nice thing about this is that it really doesn't dry the skin out at all. Just leaves you feeling kind of like just fresh and clean. And again, very gentle in how I'm rubbing this around the eyes. Obviously, because this is a gel cleanser, I'm keeping my eyes closed. Sorry for the notification. So you can see I'm being very, very gentle around the eye area there. Okay, so there we go. All the makeup's off. So obviously the next step that we're going to do, sorry for the background, bathroom's still under construction. I feel like this has been going on forever, but the pandemic definitely didn't help. So that's how much eye cream I use. A little tiny bit. Use your ring finger. And we're just going to pat that in. So the majority of eye creams are not designed to go 360. But because my eyelids on the top do tend to get dry, I at least bring it just to the orbital bone. And again, extreme gentle pressure around the eye area. So there is that. I then follow it up with now, I'm a bit of a stickler. I count my drops of my Luna. She's precious, precious liquid. Now, obviously, always bring it down the neck and across the décolleté, otherwise known as the chest. and then just gently massage that in. So the other thing I always like to do, I always use a spatula to remove any moisturizer or any product out of a jar if it doesn't already come with one. So you can see there, that's the amount of moisturizer that I use. Spread the product around on my hands and then apply. And then again, don't forget the neck and the chest. Now I am obviously filming this in January, so I live in Southern Ontario, which is part of Canada. The weather does get quite dry here. So the last thing I like to do is to apply a very rich lip balm or lip mask at night. One of the ones that I've been quite enjoying is the Lanolips Multi-Use 101. It's an ointment. It's a very thick, so for those who are vegan, this is not necessarily a good option for you. You may want to choose something other than this. This is a lanolin based lip product. It's an ointment. You can actually use it pretty much anywhere. A little bit goes a really long way. So that's how much I need for my lips. If my under eye area is looking really dry and really crepey, I will actually even put this under the under eye. Just underneath, not on the top. But if you have like super dry, cracked hands, elbows, feet, you can actually kind of use this particular product to treat those areas. They do have a bigger tube, if I'm not mistaken, for the body more specifically. But this is such a lifesaver of a lip product. I'm sorry if you can hear that. That's Sugar. She is whimpering at my feet, looking for a little snuggle. Give me a second. I'll pick her up so she can say hi. She likes to lick my face after I've done my skincare. Well, there you go, friends. That is my evening skincare routine currently. If you do have any questions, or if you do need any questions answered, as being a skincare consultant at Sephora and also a hairstylist and makeup artist, I do have a fair bit of knowledge on all three of those categories. So if you do need any consultations, please reach out to me here on YouTube, or Hair by Claudine Hardy, or at Hair by Claudine Hardy on Instagram. You are more than welcome to ask me questions here or over there for any type of consultation questions you might have on products that you're kind of curious about, or if you're needing help finding a product that might work for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I will see you in my next ones. Be well. Love you. Bye.